Problem 13.5.9. Well, I remember the problem like this when we did one-way ANOVAs. The problem is those numbers are not something that you can use. They're going to have to be changed. I'll show you why. Well, first of all, determine the null. Okay, so the claim is that they're the same median, so that's the null. And the alternative is that they're not all equal, so it's B. Okay, so then what the test statistics. So if I put the data into StatCrunch, you see if I just go right to non-parametrics Kruskal-Wallis, see there's no columns because they can't read the data. So easiest way to do this is just start over here and change it to seconds. So 3 minutes is 180 seconds. So the first one's 380 plus 25, 380 plus 27, 26, 28, and 22. And then for the mile 2, it's the same thing. Still all 3 minutes, so it's 180 plus 21, 26, 22. Oop, those should be 201, 206, 202, 200. So what I'm doing is just changing them to seconds. Of course, the last column would be 209, 208, 202. Oop, wrong column. I looked at the wrong one. 210, 207, and 209. Okay, so now when I open up stat, non-parametrics, Kruskal-Wallis, you see now I have 3 columns. So now I can choose all 3 of the columns and compute. So the test statistic is 10.250. Okay, the p-value 0.059. Which is clearly less than, they want a 0.005, but we're greater than 0.005. That's an unusual alpha level. Anyway, since it's greater, failed to reject. That means we could support the claim. There is sufficient evidence to support the claim of the same median. The data do not suggest that the instructor's speed are different. What did I do wrong here? Oh, it says there's sufficient evidence to reject the claim. No, there's not sufficient evidence. There's sufficient evidence to support it, but I forgot they always do it that way. My bad. Okay, so the main thing to remember here is in a problem like that, it's given as minutes and seconds because that's the way you usually report things with time. But for calculation, it needs to be all in terms of one label. And the easiest one is just to go to seconds, because with minutes you'd have to use fractions and round offs, and so that would get hairy. But if you just use the count in full seconds, it works fine. Okay. This is Dr. K, over and out.